welcome back to my channel. My name is Chayla. For those of you who are new, it would mean so much to me if you guys would subscribe to my channel down below. It's free, why not? It's a fun time. We're also growing, so press that subscribe button and let's join the fun and the fam. It is Wednesday, 12:15, maybe. It's around 12:15. Just finished getting ready, did my makeup and my hair literally to go nowhere, but that's what quarantine is like. But doing my makeup puts me in a better mood, doesn't make me dwell on the world going through this tough time. So that's what gets me through the day. I also got my nails done the other day. I am so excited that I got them done. If you guys knew, my nails were chipping. So I took the gel polish off during like the start of the whole quarantine, and then like my nails just started chipping its life away and cracking. I could not do anything without them bending. So I just have like acrylics on right now until my nails harden and get longer, because my nails typically grow long by itself, and I typically don't even wear acrylics because my nails grow so long, but I have them just for right now. And this is just the color. They are light pink. These are hot pink. They are so freaking adorable. Got them for my birthday because these are my birthday nails. My birthday is June 16th. I'm going to be 23. Literally, that is so old. I can't even believe it. I thought like 21. I thought 21 was like, oh, I'm 21. 22 was like, 23 is like old. So I'm not really excited about that part. And then it's also going to be during quarantine, and like things are opening, but I don't really want to go because like I'm still scared. So I don't really know like what I'm even doing for my birthday. Honestly, probably nothing. I mean, I'm not like getting gifts or anything like that, even though that's not what birthdays are about. But like I already got like my biggest gift for my birthday slash graduation, which is like my new computer. So if you guys have not seen that video, I'll put it up here or up there, I don't even know. But I unboxed my birthday gift, so I'm not really expecting anything like that for my birthday, but I'm still trying to get in like the birthday spirit. I'm usually like super excited, and this will be my first birthday. I'm not in summer school. Summer school started yesterday, and I finally don't have to do that. I'm so excited. And yeah, so it's gonna be a really good birthday, hopefully. We're speaking into existence. It's all we can do, and hope and pray that the stuff ends soon. So on today's agenda, I hope this will be a very productive video, a very productive vlog, a very productive day. First, I need to get some work done, so I need to look at a video. Ooh, my hand is legit shaking. I need to look at a video for my certification. I think I need to look at 3 videos. Dang, I don't want to do that. But I didn't do it yesterday, so I need to look at some videos. I need to proof my video so I can upload that sometime today. I need to work on my cap, because even though graduation, so our graduation was supposed to have been May 9th, but our university is going to have a virtual graduation for us on May 30th, and then we're going to have like our makeup graduation in December. But I still want to do my cap. Like, I'm still taking graduation pictures. This is just going to be a summer-long process of me taking graduation pictures, literally. So I want to do my cap. I bought this stuff a few weeks ago, and I've just been holding off because I've been procrastinating and I just don't really want to do it. So I think I'm going to do that today. Gonna learn some TikToks because I've been obsessed with TikToks lately. I've been learning so many dances, and that's been my workout because it's fun to do and I have nothing else to do in my life. But this is my outfit for the day. Just wearing a little sweatshirt thing. Kind of looks like I have no pants on, but I do. I have on some shorts. It's supposed to be 72 degrees, and 72 degrees is actually pretty cold to me, so that's why I have this on. Y'all might think I'm crazy because it's like almost June and I'm dressed like I'm going to Antarctica, but this is the mood, this is the vibe, and that's what I'm doing for today. I want to go to Target. I haven't been to Target in like a very long time, and I'm kind of like missing the Target feel. So I might make that move later on after I, of course, finish this, because I need to look at some videos for my course that I'm taking. And if you guys did not know, I am doing a life update. I kind of want to wait till after I have my virtual, let me sit down here. I'm trying to wait till after I have my virtual graduation to do my life update video, but I do plan on doing that real soon. So make sure you look at that video, because y'all will be shocked when I tell you guys what I'm doing with my life. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing with my life. I'm gonna look at these videos real quick, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. And just kidding, I thought I was gonna do this, but my mom just came back and she brought me food. So we're gonna eat, because that's more important right now, and we're gonna work on this hopefully later on today. I tried to start, but the universe wanted me to eat instead. So we're just gonna go eat, and then we will catch back on the flip side. Hopefully take 2 will be a better attempt, and we'll just do it later. I didn't want to do it anyway, so I'm not upset about it. Just finished some homework. I got a 90 on my quiz. I honestly don't even know how I got a 90, because I didn't feel like I understood anything that I was reading, but we got a 90, so good job. I didn't know what I was gonna say. So now I think I'm gonna look at the stuff for my cat that I'm gonna decorate. So let me get sitting on the floor, I think. So let me get my cap so I have something to reference. I think my mom's gonna help me, because I'm definitely not creative and I don't know what to do with anything. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my inspiration for what I'm gonna do. I found it on Pinterest a couple weeks ago. So okay, this is the main idea of what I want to go for. There you go. So this is what I want it to look like. I just don't want the words. So I don't want no words on my cap. I just like the decoration. It's my general idea. I don't want words. I just like the flowers. So that's the vibe that we're going with. So I went to Michael's a few weeks ago, and this is what we're going to be using. So the first thing that I have is paper. This is kind of like scrapbooking paper, so it's like thicker than regular cardboard paper. This is the paper that I'm actually going to be using, but I bought just like a cheap other one just so I can like practice on so I don't mess it up. So this is just the paper. It is a shimmery what is this, bronzy goldy color. I don't really know what it is, but it is super cute. I really like it. And then this is just the practice paper. It's a pretty boring color. So I have that, and then I also have some craft glue. I was gonna use hot glue, because I have a hot glue gun, but my mom thinks that won't really work too well, so I just have some craft glue. We all need that. This is like bringing me back to like elementary school days, getting glue. And then I just have some random things. So I have this, I don't even know what this is, kind of like a little jewel. This is just what it looks like. I don't really know what I'm going to do with this. I don't know. We haven't decided yet, but we have that just in case. And then we also got some flowers. We might go back and get some more flowers depending on how this looks. But these are just the flowers that we picked up. I think they're so cute because I really want this to look very pastel. So, and then we also just have a strip of rhinestones. So, really excited about this. This is also bringing me back to my dance days, and we'd have to like rhinestone costumes. Like, we know how to use some hot glue. And we got some silver paint. I don't know what this is meant for. This wasn't for me, so I don't know whose paint this is. Okay, so I'm really excited to try this out. So this is just the cap, and what I'm gonna do is you're gonna put all the design and all the stuff on the paper, and then you're just gonna like glue it onto the top of the cap. Literally, it is so easy and simple. I honestly did not think it was that simple, but it is. So what I'm actually going to do is I do need to cut out a hole, but I'm just gonna wait to cut out a hole and just work on that later. And I'm just going to open up these, and we're just gonna start putting them in random spots until I figure out what I want to do. These are so cute. I am literally obsessed. Okay. Ooh, that actually looks really cute. I'm obsessed. Okay, now we need to open up this batch. Wow, this is looking really cute. So these, wow. Okay, so this is all the flowers on it. It's definitely gonna go on the paper, but I just wanted to like mark it out like this. I think this looks kind of cute. And then what I was gonna do is put one strip of this like around the edge. I think that would be really cute. Not entirely sure, but I don't know. I think this looks so cute. And just like imagine it on this. Like, okay, you can't really see the color. Let me see if I can get in like a different spot so you can see like what this color really looks like. So I'm in my bathroom and this is what it really looks like. So yeah, super cute. This is what it looks like so far. It's drying. It's so cute though. I love it. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day. What day is it? Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday. And I'm about to get ready. I'm going to the eye doctor today. I'm not excited. I literally hate going to the eye doctor. So that's on today's agenda. So I have to be there at 2:30. I just put my contacts in because he has to check my vision with my contacts, and then I see someone else and they're gonna check my vision with my glasses. So that's on today's agenda. I don't know what to wear. So it's supposed to be, hey Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. What in the world? Hey Siri. What's the temperature? Took you a mighty long time. Okay, so this is the outfit. Literally just so basic. I'm going to the eye doctor. Like, why do I need to like dress and look cute? No. So I'm just wearing this. It just has some stripes on the side, just a little t-shirt, and then just some black pants because all we do is wear black over here. So the next thing I have to do is I want to change my purse just to oh my goodness, I'm tripping everywhere. I want to change my purse to my tote bag purse just because the purse I have right now is my small one. You saw it in my what's in my purse video. It's really small, doesn't fit much, but since I'm going to the doctor, I want to carry my tote purse so I can put like my glasses and my contacts and my keys and my mask and just hand sanitizer, stuff like that. Hey guys, I did not vlog at all today. I'm so sorry. I'm like the worst vlogger ever, but it is 9:30. No, it is not 9:30. It's like 10:30 right now. I'm about to start my workout. I went to the eye doctor. It wasn't that great. I had like good news, but I went at 2. I did not leave the office until 5. Like what? What was I doing that long? Walking back and forth. Like 1 minute they take me to the office and they make me sit, then back and forth. Like literally, it was insane. But got that taken care of. I got my contact prescription. I'm getting new glasses, so I'm really excited about that. I don't know when to do it just because like this whole pandemic, I don't think people are out buying glasses, but I'm excited. So I'm going to be getting a new pair of glasses. I'm excited about that. So I will be doing a eyeglass shopping video maybe whenever that happens. So stay tuned for that. That'll be exciting. Now I'm about to do my workout, get a little sweat sesh going. Yeah, I've been working out every single day. So good. Love that about myself. So go work out as well. I'm trying to like hype myself up because I really don't want to do it, but if I like act excited, it might make me excited. But yeah, that's just how I'm feeling right now. Don't really know what I'm doing tomorrow. I might vlog, but then again, like I feel like my vlogs are so boring. But I don't know like what type of sit down videos to do, so comment down below any sit down videos so I can like put them on my list, because I have a list of videos to do, but they kind of have to be done at like a certain time in June. So that is what the plan is. About to change out of the sweatshirt and put on my workout clothes, and so we're about to get this little sweat sesh going. And I think I'm just going to close out the video right now because usually after my workout I just crash and nothing else happens. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below what you guys think. Press the subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. I'm uploading so much recently and I really want you guys to look at my content. Follow me on all my social media. It will be down below, but it's just chalaperry. I'm posting on there frequently as well. And I'll see you guys next time for another video. Bye guys.